Sobrang nakaka-curious 'tong lens na 'to. So finally, Tamron sent us the 25 to 200 mm. So basically, it's an all-in-one lens, which is what I really love about Tamron. I love how they really produce lenses na may option ka para hindi na magpalit. So i-unbox natin 'tong lens na 'to para ma-testing na rin natin.